On May 8, 2025, a routine federal operation in Worcester, Massachusetts, turned into a tense and chaotic standoff between immigration and customs enforcement agents and a crowd of concerned residents. Newly released body camera footage from the Worcester Police Department shows just how volatile the situation became. Officers were called to Eureka Street for crowd control after ICE detained a woman. But what they encountered was far from routine. In this video, we break down the events captured on more than 550 minutes of body cam footage and examine how this incident is reshaping city policy on local involvement in federal immigration enforcement. Viewer discretion is advised due to the intense nature of the footage and subject matter.
All right. Listen. You're hurting her. Back up. City council.
Stop, you have a baby.
Stop.
Give me my glasses.
Stay there.
You're hurting her.
Okay,
Would you stop this?
Listen.
Would you stop it?
Listen.
Take her.
Sit down.
You're hurting her.
Arresting a mom 2 days ago.
An innocent woman. You do not show any warrants. Get out of our neighborhood. Get out of our neighborhood.
Oh yeah, right here, guys. Right here.
Stop. They'll explain.
They will not explain. No, they will not. They do not have a judicial warrant.
Stop.
You stop.
You're supporting them.
I'm not supporting anybody. I'm not supporting. They have the jurisdiction.
They have not shown any
They have a
jurisdiction.
warrant.
Okay?
They've shown zero paperwork.
No, it's not her fault. This is another issue that you have no right to investigate.
We do not need a judicial warrant for this arrest.
Man, you gotta step away from the vehicle. You gotta step away from the vehicle.
You don't want to get the child injured.
Man, you gotta step away from the vehicle.
Move off the vehicle. Move off the
You
vehicle.
gotta step away from the vehicle. We'll work it out. You guys got information for now?
How are you going to work out a warrantless arrest?
Come on, Dad.
How are you going to work out a warrantless arrest?
Yeah, if you want to just Guys, you gotta step back. Yeah, we got past time. Don't touch me. Stop, guys, stop. Guys, you gotta step away from me. Nothing's gonna change. Keep moving. You're gonna get
You are hurting her. Get out of here.
You can't allow him to do that.
They have jurisdiction.
He's hurting her. You have a duty to intervene. He's hurting
the car.
He's hurt her. He's hurting her.
Okay, but she
He's
needs
pushing
to
her.
step away from the car.
You need to tell him to not hurt her. Have him get his hands off her.
Right.
Where is it?
Joe Riley.
Show us the warrant. Tell him to show her the warrant.
Joe.
Tell her to show you the warrant. That's all.
Joe.
Don't take the mother.
Joe.
Don't take the mother.
Move that car out of there.
Don't take the mother. Don't take the mother. Don't take the mother. Don't take the mother.
I know this is hard for you, but you can do something to bring it to an end. You don't have to facilitate this. You don't.
Get that car out of there.
At this point, you're facilitating this.
Why are you
facilitating this.
Because we have no choice.
You do.
They have
don't have a
jurisdiction.
warrant.
It's federal.
They do not have a warrant.
You see how they're treating people. They're hurting people.
Out of the car. Out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way, guys. Out of the way.
21 and 23 headed this way.
Have him inside a car.
20 and 23 is up. 21 and 23. Alright, I got
And they don't have a
You gotta get out of the way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You guys gotta get out of the way.
Why do the women with no guns have more balls than you guys? Why?
Do something. You have the ability to stop this.
No, we don't.
You do. This guy's putting his hands on everybody.
The incident began when ICE agents attempted to take a woman into custody on Eureka Street. As news of the operation spread, a crowd quickly gathered, voicing their opposition and demanding to see a warrant. Bodycam footage shows tension rising as residents surrounded the ICE vehicle, refusing to back down. Worcester police were called to the scene not for enforcement, but for crowd control. Officers attempted to create space around the vehicle and ensure the safety of both federal agents and civilians. The footage reveals how officers worked under pressure to de-escalate the situation while navigating legal questions from an agitated crowd. One of the most intense moments caught on camera shows a teenager standing in front of the ICE vehicle while holding a baby, trying to prevent it from moving. Both the teen and another woman were arrested during the confrontation. However, Worcester police later requested the court dismiss the charges against the teen, likely in recognition of the complex dynamics of the moment. Police Chief Paul Saucier later explained that the Bodycam videos were released to give the public a transparent view into the challenges officers faced. The videos reveal the chaos, the urgency of decision-making, and the human toll of federal immigration actions in local communities. In response to the public outcry and the events of that day, Worcester City Manager Eric Batista issued a new executive order. The order directs that municipal employees and officers are not to initiate investigations based on immigration status, nor participate in ICE operations, except when necessary for public or officer safety. The new guidelines seek to clarify Worcester's role in immigration enforcement and protect community trust. This incident has sparked renewed debate about the boundaries between local and federal law enforcement and the importance of transparency and accountability in such operations.
Hold on, Joe.
Keep the road clear.
Yeah. Hold on, Joe.
Keep the road clear.
Yeah.
Did you sign up to help ICE just like you signed up to help the constable?
It's ICE. They're taking them on, and everybody's freaking out about it. Well, they have the jurisdiction. We're trying to get them out of here. Now people are just standing in front of the car.
Which way are they going to go? That way?
They want to go this way.
You want to go that way? All right, let's have them go that way.
It's going to turn into arresting people.
Be copy, 2 minutes.
Hey, folks, where's the warrant? Folks, I'm ICE. Unfortunately, you don't like me.
Back up, back up.
Where's the warrant?
Back up. Back up.
I am.
Over there.
Where's the warrant? Where's the warrant? Hey, she's putting her baby in harm.
Folks, listen.
Did we get that?
I'll touch over here, okay? Let's go. Come here,
This is I'm off
Move out of the way.
Order you to disperse right now.
Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
You guys are holding me outside.
They're leaving.
We believe you should make
No warrant! You're gonna get Stay out of the way.
Driver Con and escort the marshals out here. November 7th,
Hey! Stop! You're gonna get injured! Stop that! Come on! Bring your arms. Put your arms. I got her arms.
the sheriff's what are you calling? You're good. You have no new way out of here. Need more than one wagon. Find another wagon. Third wagon, yeah. Gracie.
She's under arrest.
Gracie, thank you.
Get back! Get back!
I told you to
Stay back. Folks, stay back. Stay back.
Please, get back!
Get back.
Get back!
Make sure that we're a priority. Get them up here ASAP.
November 7th, be advised, I'm going to be the escort confidential marshal.
Keep yelling at my face. Keep yelling.
Why you have to get stuff out? Gracie, you're on site.
This is who you're supposed to be.
What's that? Listen, they got jurisdiction.
Military, both wagons are on their way. EMS is notified they'll be responding to well.
Why is she under arrest?
Just get him out of this area.
Hey, get back! Why is she under arrest? Get back! Interfering! Get back! But why is she under arrest?
Because her mother's being kidnapped in front of her. Separated from
Like, they think they're going to the TV. Just get that. Can we check with that?
This situation on Eureka Street highlights the deep tensions and real-life consequences of federal immigration enforcement at the local level. Worcester police faced a chaotic and emotionally charged environment, and the decisions made in those critical moments are now shaping local policy. If you found this breakdown informative, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. Let us know in the comments how you think local and federal agencies should work together during these situations. Thanks for watching.